Eric Wiegand.
And I'm Robert Metke.
We're Additive Habitat.
And what is Additive Habitat?
So Additive Habitat is an online ecosystem that's designed to connect users of 3D printing and provide them with the resources they need to engage in productive collaboration.
So this can include, collaborative builds, marketplaces. We're trying to cater to both the open source community and the for-profit, makers.
Right. So we're trying to go above and beyond what traditional 3D printing ecosystems offer right now. We're trying to offer some of the resources that you won't find all in one place, like troubleshooting, support forums, places where you can go for information and daily news. And we're trying to integrate this all into a location-based service. You can really connect and get your hands on the technology.
So this isn't just a, order online, would you print this for me?
Yeah, so the concept here is right now, if you don't own a 3D printer, but you want to get a 3D printed item, really your only option is to order it online and receive it in the mail, completed and printed in a couple of weeks. We want to disrupt that process by offering a system through which users can buy files and then find a printer in their area and actually go experience the technology firsthand. We think that it's very important that people, like they do with all emerging technologies, have the ability to use it so that they really understand how significant it can be.
Sure, and this is the only way that you can really get it out of just the makerspace and out of just the hobbyist hands, who are obviously the early adopters, and into the general public and into the consumer markets, which is just going to drive, all kinds of the hardware side of human software. Yeah.
Okay, really quick. So how will this work? I want to find a printer, so I want to make a tchotchke.
Sure. So you're in Chicago, and you put in Chicago zip code, and maybe I own a 3D printer and I'm 6 miles from your house. So you send me a message and you say, hey Lane, I've got this item. You send me the file so I have an idea of what you want to make, and we figure out, if my printer can do it, awesome. Maybe I invite you into my lab. I print the file for you. We work out, whatever cost there is associated with the print in terms of materials or use, and then you have essentially been able to access this technology in a way that you wouldn't have been able to before.
Now, could I find somebody to help me make a file? Because I don't have a clue how to make. Let's say I don't know how to make a file.
So what we're also allowing designers to do is set up virtual storefronts. It's a free virtual storefront. They can market their own products. They can solicit their services to somebody in need of the question that you posed. But in addition to this location service, what's really cool about our site and different is that, say you don't know much, about the materials, about which printers you can seek out. We're building a really simple consulting tool. No more than 5 clicks to find what you need, a printer nearby you, and one that can deliver what you're looking for.
How do they find you? How do we get a hold of you guys?
Go to www.addhab.com and keep an eye on us and watch us grow.